Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with respect to questions pertaining to the quantitative aptitude section of the paper. So if we talk about the QA section this year around, we have seen the paper, the pattern of the examination to be a little bit on the difficult side. That is the kind of question that we have seen being asked or put front this year required an in-depth understanding of the subject matter to solve, and also where more calculation intensive and time consuming in general as well. So having said that, what we'll be doing in this video is basically we'll be focusing on a certain question from the paper and subsequently we'll try and solve them, so then we can actually get a clear idea regarding the approach involved to solving the same, so that whenever we come across a question such as this further down the line in any examination, we are easily able to solve them. Okay. So with all that said and done, let us focus on the question at hand. If x and y are integers such that x greater than y greater than 0, how many integers are there between x and y excluding x and y? Okay, so we have x and y being integers and we need to find how many integers that lie between x and y. Okay, we need to find this many integers, okay, excluding x and y. So there are multiple ways to go about this particular question. We can take x plus 1, x plus 2, so at the last x plus n, and x plus n plus 1 would simply be y, or we can simply use a certain example and then go ahead and solve the same. So let me go with the second approach because that would make this question relatively easier. Okay, suppose I take x as 1 and suppose I take y as 10. Okay, so now we know between 1 to 10 how many numbers do we have? We have a 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, now let's go option by option. Okay, so option by option if we go, so we option A, if we do, we have 10 minus 1 equal to 9, but how many letters do we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so it is not valid, so option 1 is a wrong answer. Option 3, if we go x plus y, so it comes out to be 11 in this regards, again a wrong answer. Option 4, x plus y minus 1, that is 10 plus 1 minus 1, 10, again a wrong answer because we need 8, so this is also wrong. Finally 10 minus option 2, if we check 1 minus 1, that is 8. Yes, so this satisfied, so option 2 will be our correct answer. So you could have taken any other number for that matter, whether 3 to 12 or anything for such. I've taken 1 to 10 just for convenience sake. You can try and solve this question by taking where any number, so you'll yield basically the same result only. Okay, so I hope this is clear, this question is clear. So I don't think you should face any trouble with regards to the approach of the same as well. Okay, now having said that, if you're looking for a detailed solution of the entire paper, and also if you're looking for any guidance with respect to your competitive exam preparation for any examination, and also it may be whether you require any kind of help or whether you need any suggestions with respect to preparation, feel free to look us up in that regards. And also if you're looking for a help with regards to any subject or topic that you feel the requirement of our expertise, feel free to let us know. We'll be more than happy to help you out in that as well. Now if you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so that we keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. With all the said and done, I'll be signing out. Thank you so much.